Sure you like, share, and comment throughout the video to support the channel and tell us what you think about this next generation luxury icon. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class arrives with major updates that make it feel closer to an all-new model rather than a simple refresh. Designed to push the boundaries of executive travel, this latest version focuses heavily on smarter engineering, electrified performance, and a cabin experience that rivals private jet comfort. More than half of the vehicle has reportedly been newly developed, proving Mercedes is serious about keeping the S-Class at the top of the global luxury sedan segment. Starting with performance, the new S-Class offers multiple powertrains tailored for both smooth cruising and sports-like acceleration. The S500 model features a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, producing around 442 horsepower while delivering strong torque for effortless highway passing and refined city driving. Drivers who want even more excitement can step into the S580, powered by an all-new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with a flat-plane crankshaft. This powerhouse generates roughly 530 to 537 horsepower and can sprint from 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds, a stunning achievement for a vehicle focused on comfort. For buyers seeking efficiency without sacrificing performance, the plug-in hybrid S580e combines the inline-6 engine with an electric motor to produce nearly 576 horsepower. This setup allows for silent electric driving during short trips while still providing the strength expected from a flagship Mercedes when pushed harder on open roads. Every model comes paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, helping the sedan remain stable in different weather conditions across the United States. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight urban spaces while also enhancing stability at higher speeds, making this large luxury sedan surprisingly agile. Ride quality remains a defining strength of the S-Class. Standard air suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, while available adaptive systems can adjust damping in real time using road data to anticipate bumps before the car even reaches them. The result is an incredibly serene driving experience that isolates passengers from harsh surfaces and outside noise. Visually, the 2027 model carries a refreshed exterior highlighted by a larger grille, illuminated accents, and signature star-inspired lighting elements that give the car a futuristic presence at night. New wheel designs and expanded paint selections allow buyers to personalize the vehicle more than ever, with hundreds of color combinations available through exclusive customization programs. Step inside, and the cabin showcases some of the most advanced technology ever installed in a luxury sedan. The centerpiece is a massive superscreen layout stretching across the dashboard, featuring a 12.3-inch digital driver display, a large central touchscreen, and a dedicated passenger screen. Powered by the latest operating system, the interface supports AI-assisted navigation, natural voice commands, and seamless connectivity that keeps drivers informed without distraction. Rear passengers receive first-class treatment with larger seatback displays capable of video conferencing, memory-enabled climate vents, and even heated seat belts designed to enhance comfort in colder regions. Dual wireless charging pads, upgraded materials, and refined trim options further elevate the interior atmosphere. Mercedes has also introduced thoughtful physical controls on the steering wheel alongside digital features, giving drivers a balanced mix of tactile feedback and modern convenience. Noise. Insulation improvements create a whisper-quiet environment, allowing conversations or music to be enjoyed without interruption. When it comes to sports character, the new S-Class may surprise enthusiasts. Despite its executive identity, the powerful engines, intelligent chassis systems, and rapid acceleration place it firmly within performance territory. It is a sedan that can glide through traffic during the workweek yet deliver thrilling bursts of speed when the road opens up. Although official US pricing has not yet been announced, the S-Class traditionally competes at the very top of the luxury market, and expectations suggest it will continue targeting buyers who demand the absolute best in technology, prestige, and comfort. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class ultimately proves that innovation and tradition can coexist beautifully. It respects the legacy that made the nameplate famous while confidently stepping into the future with smarter software, electrified powertrains, and a design that signals authority wherever it goes. Thanks for watching Next General Motors, where we bring you the future of driving before it hits the streets. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, don't forget to like, share, and comment to help our community grow, and tell us which feature impressed you the most. Subscribe to Next General Motors for more next-generation automotive content, and stay tuned for our upcoming reviews and first looks at the world's most exciting vehicles.